What if I told you that the keys to unlocking your fullest potential and achieving a life of abundance, purpose, and prosperity are right at your fingertips? We're about to embark on a thrilling journey to a life better lived, guided by the principles that have propelled the world's most successful individuals to extraordinary heights. Let's get started with AJ's info. Let's achieve success together. Rule number 1, financial education. The most important rule to make your life better, give importance to this rule and you are on the way to getting rich. Financial education is the process of acquiring knowledge and understanding of various aspects of personal finance, economics, and money management. Budgeting, savings and investment strategies, debt management, risk management, taxes are the basic and most important concept of financial education. Educate yourself in these concepts and take the first step into Rich People's Club. Rule number 2, rich people live below their means. Spending money which you don't have is the problem of many people. People may make a lot of money, but they also spend a lot of money, especially money that they don't have. Avoid excessive spending and lifestyle inflation. Just because you can afford something doesn't mean you should buy it. Saving and investing the difference can lead to wealth accumulation. Rule number 3, rich people avoid procrastination. Procrastination is a dream killer. If you don't get a handle on the near universal urge to put things off continually, you probably won't succeed at much of anything. 4 strategies that the rich use to avoid procrastination include making a daily to-do list, setting deadlines, having accountability partners, engaging in positive self-talk. The easiest way to avoid procrastination is just to get started. Sit down and start working. You'll be amazed at how quickly the feelings that accompany procrastination fade. Rule number 4, work hard and smart. Success often comes from a strong work ethic and making smart career choices. Working hard involves being committed to your goals, and working smart emphasizes finding the most efficient and effective ways to accomplish tasks and achieve goals. This concept emphasizes that success doesn't solely depend on the amount of time and energy invested, but also on the quality of the work and the effectiveness of one's approach. By combining hard work with smart strategies, you can maximize your productivity. Rule number 5, rich people prioritize savings and investment. You've probably heard the saying, a job won't make you rich. It's true. If you've got the entrepreneurial talent, you can stake out on your own, but it's still a job. Most of us have to make a living somehow. So how do you get rich if a job won't make you rich? Savings and investment. You make your money work for you by figuring out the places that will reap the highest returns and putting your money in those places, like stocks, bonds, mutual funds. Rule number 6, rich people love to read. Rich people are incredibly well-read, with 88% reading at least 30 minutes per day. It's important to note that while reading is a common habit among the wealthy, the key is to apply the knowledge gained from reading to real-life situations and take action on what is learned. Rich people see reading as an investment in themselves. By continually expanding their knowledge base, they increase their personal value and potential for success. Rule number 7, take calculated risks. The wealthy often take calculated risks. It is a crucial concept in various aspects of life, including business, investing, career advancement, and personal growth. Taking calculated risks is assessment of the situation thoroughly. This includes identifying the risk, understanding its nature, and estimating the potential impact, both positive and negative. Consider your risk tolerance. This is your willingness and ability to withstand potential losses or setbacks. Gather as much information as possible about the risk you're considering. Take time to take any decision. Rule number 8, networking. Networking is the practice of creating and nurturing a group of contacts and professional relationships to exchange information, advice, and support within a specific industry or community. For entrepreneurs and business professionals, networking is crucial for business development. Rich people having large network from which they build strong relationships and accumulate wealth. Rule number 9, rich people are mentally tough. To start with nothing and build up wealth takes tremendous discipline, focus, and persistence. In other words, the rich are mentally tough. Mental toughness is not bullying. There is nothing interpersonal about mental toughness. Instead, mental toughness is about accounting for and overcoming your mental weaknesses. Meditation can help you to be mentally though. Rule number 10. Rich people give importance to health and wellness. Last but not the least, your health is your most valuable asset. Prioritize physical and mental health through regular exercise, a balanced diet, and stress management. Prioritizing health and wellness can lead to a higher quality of life, increased resilience, and improved overall satisfaction and happiness. These are the 10 common principles of rich person. Remember, being rich within is the first step of being rich in any area of your life. If you found value in this content, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with more videos like this. Thank you for joining us on this journey. See you in the next video.